Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can work with LastPass as an application to store all your passwords, manage your passwords and share them between your friends, family or employees. LastPass is very good at keeping passwords, very safe. First thing, we want to create an account here. If you've decided that LastPass is the go for you, or log into our existing our existing account. Once we're in here, we are greeted with workspace straight away. We can focus on our left sidebar where we have all items with all the passwords. We don't have there any, but we will add more later. Passwords, notes, addresses, payment cards, bank accounts, and after a little dash there's a security dashboard, so you can see how strong your passwords are. Sharing center between your friends, family, employees, emergency access. Now manage family, but we get there in a minute. Account settings and advanced options. First thing, we want to go to chrome.google.com and download an extension. The extension looks like this. So as you can see, there's my vault, recently used all items, add item, account, and so on and so on. So once we install our extension, let's go back to our workspace. We want to start with managing, for example, our family, and we want to add more members. That's me as a family manager right now, and we can add a family member. Email address, let's go like this. First name, Lisa, I don't know, Lisa White. You can set him or her role, member or a family member. I'll go with a member, and we send an invite. As you can see, she's invited. We can resend it or copy link for her just to click on the link and go straight to the confirmation email. How we want to actually proceed to accept it, we want to go to our account. We want to log in, but not into this one, but in this one. One moment. Let me check the email. Straight away we can activate our account. But we are logged in as a different one. But we can pretend that we actually invited the girl like this. And we want to go to passwords. How do we create a password at LastPass? We click on Add Item, URL. We can start, for example, with Zapier, zapier.com. Name Zapier. It's not our Zapier is not in any folder. Username. Like this. Advanced settings. If you want to, you can activate this option if you want to require a master password. Once you want to log in through your extension, auto login or disable autofill. We don't want any of that, so we click save. As you can see, Zapier is already added. We can go to last password, all items, passwords, uncategorized, and there's Zapier. So we can go and we can try to use login at Zapier. We have to log out first, obviously. We can log in. And straight away, we have the LastPass. We fill, we click continue, and yeah, here we are. We are at Zapier.com, logged thanks to LastPass. You can see we already used it. Sorry, it's a little bit scuffed. And we used it. We can just fill or copy username, copy password, and so on. So as you can see, it's very, very easy. What else we can do? We can add a note, name and folder, and then we can click an attachment. Let's go with Moon. We attached it, name Moon. We don't have a folder yet, so save. And we can see it right here. Address. We can save the imported addresses, also important meetings on those addresses. So that's very, very easy, very useful. Payment cards, same as always, go to the bottom left part, bottom right part, click a name, folder, and name on the card, type, number, security code, expiration date, and so on and so on. By that way, you can invite the family member to maybe copy and use the card. As you can see, you can upgrade your family. Bank accounts works the same way, but there's a Swift, IBAN, pins, and so on. Security dashboard, as you can see, once we are in here and we actually saved one password, you can see how strong it is. At risk password, 0, because we just use it only once. Multi-factor authentication, it's inactive. I haven't activated multi-factor authentication, but you can easily repair it by clicking there. And you can basically pick which one you want. Authenticator by LastPass, Google, Microsoft, Duo, Ubicon, or Salesforce. It's very good if you are into integrations, so you can make it very easily. You can manage trusted devices, but at the moment, I trust only my desktop. But you can go straight to account settings. That will be the fastest way how to track it. General, you can see you can change the master password or revert it to change it back to your previous one. Multi-factor options, we've been them through. Trusted devices, I don't have any. Mobile devices, we can enable it, but then you will have to log in with your mobile phone into the LastPass. Never URLs, that will turn off LastPass on specific sites. If you don't really want to use it, for example, for Facebook or Instagram, you don't really have to. So you can make these exceptions, equivalent domain, and the rules. We've been through basically almost everything. You can also use free VPN with LastPass. Advanced options. Now you can import all the passwords. For example, if you ever used, for example, 1Password or Bitwarden or any other sites for password management, you can basically do it like that. But I believe you catch the essence of how LastPass works. So thanks for watching and see you on the next video.